Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to the official YouTube channel of Amit Ranjan. India, a nation that thrives on innovation, is about to witness a monumental shift in the automotive industry. Tesla, the trailblazing electric vehicle manufacturer, is all set to make its mark on Indian roads, heralding a new era of sustainable transportation. With environmental concerns at the forefront of global conversations, the advent of Tesla in India represents a significant step towards combating pollution and reducing carbon emissions. This revolutionary move holds the promise of transforming the Indian automotive landscape. Tesla, renowned for its cutting-edge technology and futuristic designs, is bringing its iconic models to the Indian market. From the high-performance Model S to the versatile Model 3 and the rugged Cybertruck, Indian consumers can look forward to experiencing the epitome of luxury, performance, and sustainability. India is pulling out all the stops to get Elon Musk's Tesla to the country, with government departments working to provide all the required approvals by January 2024. The Prime Minister's office on the 6th of November 2023 held a meeting with top officials to take stock of the next phase of electric vehicle (EV) manufacturing in the country, including Tesla's investment proposal. Though the agenda of the meeting was centered on general policy matters, fast-tracking approvals by January 2024 to Tesla's proposed investment in the country was spelled out. The Ministries of Commerce and Industry, and Electronics, and IT have been in discussions about the electric carmakers plans after Tesla CEO Elon Musk met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the U.S. during his visit in June 2023. Notably, India has invited U.S. President Joe Biden to be the chief guest for the Republic Day celebrations on January 26. Senior Tesla executives have discussed with the government plans to set up car and battery manufacturing facilities in India. The EV maker has expressed interest in bringing its supply chain ecosystem to India. Ministers and government departments have been asked to iron out any differences with Tesla and pave the way for announcing the company's India manufacturing plan at the earliest. Tesla had earlier sought 40% import duty on fully assembled electric cars against the current rate of 60% applicable on vehicles priced below $40,000 and 100% on those retailed above that. India's customs duty regime does not differentiate between electric cars and those that run on hydrocarbons and imposes high duties to encourage local manufacturing. The company wants its cars to be treated as electric vehicles and not luxury cars. The high duty has been a sticking point between Tesla and the Indian government, with US-based EV maker wanting to sell some cars in the country first before setting up a manufacturing unit. A new category may be introduced in the import policy to ensure that clean energy-driven vehicles are taxed lower, while insisting that this incentive will not be just for Tesla but for anyone committing to set up electric vehicle manufacturing units. Tesla had dropped its earlier India plans after failing to make headway in talks over import duty reduction. New Delhi had insisted on a commitment to local manufacturing in lieu of any import duty concession. The government had also asked the company to apply for the production-linked incentive scheme that offers direct subsidies to manufacturers instead of seeking customs duty concessions. While this deal is surely going to benefit India, at the same time, Tesla has ample incentive to enter the world's third-largest car market after the US and China. The share of EVs is minuscule 0.77% of the 4.37 million units sold in the year 2022, compared to almost 20% in China. So, there is an ample scope for Tesla to grow. In return, Government of India should insist on progressive localization. Tesla reportedly already sources around $2 billion worth of parts from India. Over time, it should be encouraged to develop an ecosystem in India, which would, hopefully, match the one in China. It is also reportedly considering building EVs more affordable for consumers in India that can be replicated elsewhere in the global south. India could be the hub of such a project. Recognizing the need for an efficient charging infrastructure, Tesla is committed to establishing an extensive network of charging stations across major Indian cities. This move not only ensures the seamless integration of electric vehicles but also addresses concerns related to range anxiety, making electric mobility a viable and convenient option for Indian consumers. The arrival of Tesla in India marks a significant milestone in our journey towards sustainability. With its emphasis on renewable energy and zero-emission vehicles, Tesla has the potential to redefine the Indian automotive sector and inspire other manufacturers to prioritize eco-friendly practices. Tesla representative statement: Our mission in India goes beyond merely introducing electric vehicles. We aim to foster a culture of sustainable living and promote the widespread adoption of clean energy. By providing innovative and reliable electric vehicles, we aspire to contribute to India's ambitious goals of reducing carbon emissions and building a greener future. Conclusion. As Tesla prepares to embark on its Indian journey, the nation eagerly anticipates the dawn of a new era in mobility. With its unparalleled technology, commitment to sustainability, and visionary leadership, Tesla is poised to redefine the Indian automotive landscape and inspire a generation to embrace a cleaner, more sustainable future. Stay tuned as we witness the rise of a technologically empowered India. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.